Lesson 1-1, Concept 2, Writing Decimals as Fractions. There's 3 steps to writing decimals as fractions. The first step is to take whatever your decimal number is. In this case, we'll use 0.25. You're going to divide it by 1 with as many zeros as there are numbers to the right of the decimal place. Now you'll notice that in this case I'm dividing it by 100, and I have numbers in the tenths place and the hundredths place. You can also use that to help you. If you're going to the thousandths place, you're going to divide by 1000. All right. Once you do that, you'll drop the decimal point. So it becomes 25 over 100. And then you'll simplify. Now I know that 25 is a factor of 100, so I can turn it into dividing each by 25. 25 divided by 25 is 1, and 100 divided by 25 is 4, and unsurprisingly, my answer becomes 1/4. And that's all there is to it. Sometimes it'll be more difficult because you'll have a more complicated fraction to simplify, but you will always follow the same format. Okay? If I had a number that didn't have a 0 here, that was, say, 2.25, I would keep that 2, and I would just end up with a fraction like 225 over 100. And in that case, my answer would turn out to be 2 1/4. Okay, that's it for writing decimals as fractions. On to video 3.